यावद्वित्तोपार्जनसक्तस्तावन्निजपरिवारो रक्तः पश्चाज्जीवति जर्जरदेहे वार्तां कोऽपि न पृच्छति गेहे। यावत् वित्त उपार्जन सक्तः तावत् निज परिवारः रक्तः पश्चात् जीवति जर्जर देहे वार्तां कः अपि न पृच्छति गेहे। यावत् as long as वित्त wealth उपार्जन earn सक्तः capable of यावत् वित्त उपार्जन सक्तः as long as you are capable of earning wealth तावत् till that time निज your own परिवारः family रक्तः is affectionate तावन् निज परिवारो रक्तः till that time your family is affectionate पश्चात् after that जीवति life पश्चात् जीवति in the later part of your life when jarjara diseased or fragile dehe body jarjara dehe fragile body vartam words kah api whoever na does not pritchati ask gehe in the house gehe kah api na vartam pritchati in your house no one speaks to you or asks for your well-being yavat vitta uparjana saktastavan nija parivaro raktah पश्चाज्जीवति जर्जरदेहे वार्तां कोऽपि न पृच्छति गेहे. As long as a man is fit and able to support his family, he gets all the affection from everybody around him. But no one at home even cares to have a word with him when his body totters due to old age. Yavat pavano nivasati dehe तावत् पृच्छति कुशलं गेहे गतवति वायौ देहापाये भार्या बिभ्यति तस्मिन् काये यावत् पवनः निवसति देहे तावत् पृच्छति कुशलं गेहे गतवति वायौ देहापाये भार्या बिभ्यति तस्मिन् काये यावत् as long as pavanah air nivasati stays dehe in the body yavat pavanah nivasati dehe as long as the air stays in the body or you are alive tavat till that time pritchati asks kushalam well-being gehe in the house tavat gehe kushalam pritchati till that time everyone in the house asks for your well-being gatavati having gone vayau air dehapaye the body having bereft of the soul gatavati vayau dehapaye after the air is gone the soul is gone from the body basically when one is dead bharya wife bibhyati is afraid of tasmin that very kaye body the wife is afraid of that very body yavat pavano nivasati dehe tavat pritchati kushalam gehe gatavati vayau dehapaye bharya bibhyati tasmin kaye when one is alive his family members inquire kindly about his welfare but when the soul departs from the body even his own wife runs away in fear of the corpse balastavat क्रीडासक्तः तरुणस्तावत् तरुणीसक्तः वृद्धस्तावत् चिन्तासक्तः परे ब्रह्मणि कोऽपि न सक्तः बालः तावत् क्रीडा सक्तः तरुणः तावत् तरुणी सक्तः वृद्धः तावत् चिन्तासक्तः परे ब्रह्मणि कः अपि न सक्तः बालः as a child तावत् till that time क्रीडा play सक्तः is engrossed in बालस् तावत् क्रीडासक्तः till the time one is a child he is engrossed in playing tarunah young man tavat at that time taruni young woman saktah is attached to tarunas tavat taruni saktah till one is a young man he is attached to a young woman vruddhah old tavat till that time chinta worry saktah is engrossed in vruddhastavat chintasaktah when in old age one is engrossed in worrying pare supreme brahmani god kah api whoever na does not saktah attached to pare brahmani kopi na saktah but no one is attached to the supreme lord बालस्तावत् क्रीडासक्तः तरुणस्तावत् तरुणीसक्तः वृद्धस्तावत् चिन्तासक्तः परे ब्रह्मणि कोऽपि न सक्तः The childhood is lost by attachment to playfulness. Youth is lost by attachment to woman. Old age passes away by thinking over many, many things. But there is hardly anyone who wants to be lost in the Parabrahman. Kate kanta kaste putrah samsaroyamativa vichitrah kasya tvam kah kuta ayatah tatvam chintaya tadiha bhratah ka te kanta kah te putrah samsarah ayam ativ vichitrah kasya tvam kah kuta ayatah tatvam chintaya tat iha bhratah ka who te your kanta wife ka te kanta who is your wife kah who te your putrah son kaste putrah who is your son samsarah world ayam this samsaroyam this world ativa very vichitrah mysterious samsaroyam ativa vichitrah this world is very mysterious kasya tvam whose are you kah who kuta where ayatah came from kasya tvam whose are you kah who are you kuta ayatah where have you come from tatvam truth chintaya think about tat iha that here bhratah brother bhratah tadiha tatvam chintaya that truth that is here think about it kate kanta kaste putrah samsaroyamativa vichitrah kasya tvam kah kuta ayatah tatvam chintaya tadiha bhratah who is your wife who is your son strange is this samsara the world of whom are you from where have you come brother ponder over these truths